Today we are hitting up the ultimate seafood hotspot, fish mandi. Join us as we explore the sights, sounds, and flavors of fish mandi. Stay tuned because this is where culinary magic begins. Ingredients: 1 kg basmati rice, 1 kg fish, pepper powder, garam masala, salt, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric, whole garam masala, chicken stock, dry lemon, onions, lemon, coriander leaves, capsicum, ginger garlic, and cornflour. Begin by slicing the fish into thin flat pieces. In a mixing bowl, sprinkle in the spice powders. 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon each of chili powder, pepper powder, and Mandi Masala, 2 tablespoons of cornflour, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, juice of half a lemon, 1 tablespoon of chicken stock powder, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix it well and make it into a thick paste. Rub the masala evenly on the fish pieces. Ensure that it is coated well and let it rest for half an hour. While the fish marinates, wash and soak the rice for an hour. On the stove, heat a kadai and pour oil for shallow frying the fish. Place the marinated fish in the kadai. Dish out and keep it aside. In a large pot, keep water for boiling the rice. I have taken 2.5 liters of water for 1 kg of rice. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil, whole spices, 2 dry lemons, and 4 tablespoons of salt. Bring the water to a boil, drain the water from soaked rice, and put it in the pot. It takes 15 to 20 minutes to cook the rice on high flame. When the rice is cooked, drain the water and dish out. Keeping it aside. In a large pot, pour 3 tablespoons of oil. Put the whole spices. 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 2 to 3 1-inch cinnamon sticks, 5 to 6 cardamom pods, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 2 bay leaves. Saute for a minute. Add 1 large chopped onion. Saute until golden brown. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute for 30 seconds. Add 1 chopped capsicum and mix. Sprinkle in the spice powders. 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, 3 teaspoons of Mandi Masala, and 1 tablespoon of chicken stock powder. Give it a stir. Let it cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Add chopped coriander and mint leaves. Mix well. Now add the cooked rice and spread it evenly. Pour soaked saffron milk over the rice. Place the fish fry on the rice. Cover the lid and cook on low flame for 5 minutes. Place a bowl in the pot and place the red hot coal in it. Pour a tablespoon of olive oil on it. Cover the lid and let it rest for 15 minutes. Remove the coal and fish mandi is ready to be served. Thanks for joining us on this flavorful fish mandi cuisine.